Hi there. Thank you. You know what kind of cloud makes? A cloud. Well, I have a message for all the clouds out there watching.